1 teaspoon of oil. You can add more, but I always use less oil. Add mustard and urad dal. Curry leaf. This is a very simple way of making this porial with sambar, having vegetables in it. But if you are taking it with the rasam, you can add onion, tomato and also groundnut powder in this recipe. I am not using because I am taking with vegetable sambar. Half teaspoon of chili powder. If you want more, you can make it 1. Turmeric powder, just little. Then garlic paste. This will subside the vayu, etc. they say, and it will help to digest the thing. Now you can add the vegetables. I have taken half a kilo of zAVARAIKKAI, broad beans. Mix it well. If you want more chilies, you can add. But if the children are taking, we have to use the less chili. Salt. Fry it well. Add. Now see, they have mixed, the vegetable is completely mixed with the masala. Now add little water for the vegetable to cook. It will take 10 minutes. So we have to close it and wait. If you want, you can add tomato with this. See, 5 minutes over and the water is reduced. Now some water is there. It will take 4 minutes. So we'll keep it at now at high flame and then see the vegetable whether it is cooked or not. It has to be cooked. So it will take some 4 minutes. Salt and other masalas are enough, mild. If you want anything else, you can make the groundnut powder, fried groundnut powder over it. Now the vegetable is completely cooked, water is reduced, and then I am keeping it at low flame for 10 seconds, and then now I am just closing the flame. Now I can serve it.